Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video we are going to talk about how to perform a right slipped cross and a left slipped cross. These are abbreviated RSC and LSC. Let's get started. For this demonstration I'll go ahead and knit 2 and then we will start our right slipped cross. This is the RSC. For these stitches you will need a cable needle or a short double pointed needle or something to hold your stitches and slip the stitches on either end. I tend to just use this short double pointed needle. So to start with, for the RSC or the right slipped cross, we will slip 1 stitch to our cable needle. We will hold that stitch to the back of our working stitches. We will then slip 1 stitch from the left hand needle and we will knit the 1 stitch on our cable needle. And that is the right slipped cross. We'll go ahead and knit 2 more. And we will work the left slipped cross. To start, we will pick up our cable needle, we will slip 1 stitch to the cable needle, we will hold that to the front, we will knit 1, and then we will slip 1 stitch from the cable needle. And that is the left slipped cross. So as you can see, this slips to the right and this slips to the left. I will go ahead and just knit my last 2 stitches and then I will purl through the back and we'll be back to show those slipped crosses once more, as well as a quick hack for the left slipped cross. Alright, this time I'll just knit 1 stitch and then we'll do our RSC, which is the right slipped cross. Now what I do to save time is I tend to just slip this off and I'll either hold it or just let it sit there and make sure that I don't lose it. That saves me time in fiddling with my cable needle and so on. So I just hold that and then I slip my 1 stitch off of my left needle and then I just transfer that back and knit that one. I can show that once more. So again, this is the RSC, and this is just kind of my time-saving hack that I find easier than fiddling with the cable needle. So I slip this back, just hold it or let it sit back there. I slip 1, I transfer this stitch back onto my needle, and then I knit that stitch. Alright, now for the left slip cross. This one you can perform without the cable needle, without having to hold on to your stitches or anything. All you have to do, take your right needle behind the first stitch, then knit the 2nd stitch, pulling your new stitch just back through between those 2 stitches, and then you just slip the 1st stitch onto your right hand needle and you'll slip that 2nd stitch off because you've already worked that. I'll show that once more. Come behind the 1st loop, so we go completely behind that 1st loop, come through to the front, come into the front to the back of that 2nd stitch and just work it as a knit stitch. So you'll bring it back front and then pull your needle between the 2 stitches, and then you'll just slip this 1st stitch as if to knit and slide the 2nd stitch off. And I'll just knit my last stitch. So there you go. There are 2 methods to perform both the RSC, or the right slipped cross, and the LSC, or the left slipped cross. If you have any questions, go ahead and play back this tutorial at a slower speed, or comment down below with any questions, comments, or concerns that you might have. If you liked this tutorial, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like notifications, you can click the notification bell or sign up for our emails at www.snickerdoodleknits.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you very soon. Happy knitting!